Today, I'm going to show you how to test your internal network speed. For instance, how fast is this laptop right here connecting to this Windows desktop right here? Previously, you saw how I went to fast.com to verify my internet speed. I'm paying about $40 per month for Verizon Fios for 300 megabit per second. On fast.com, I'm actually getting around 320 megabit per second, and that's good. I definitely don't want anything lower like 200 megabit per second. Now, the easiest way to test the speed on your internal network is by installing OpenSpeedTest Server app from the Windows Store. All you have to do is open up your Windows Store application, search for OpenSpeedTest, and here it is. This is the app to install. I already have mine installed, so I'm just going to click on Open. If you don't have Windows, it's okay. You can download straight from GitHub. Go to this website right here. Scroll down a little bit. You can see that the program is available for Mac and Linux as well. Obviously, to do this test, you'll need 2 machines on your local network. This is a super simple diagram of my network for today's video. I got the OpenSpeedTest program on my Windows desktop as seen here. It is hardwired to my network via the switch and then straight to the router. Temporarily, the connections from this Windows desktop to this Netgear switch is a Cat5 cable. So spoiler alert, I know for sure I won't be getting super fast gigabit speed. Believe it or not, my whole house has Cat6 cables in the backbone, but I'm only temporarily connected to the network via Cat5 for now. The test that we'll be running will be from this laptop that's connected to Wi-Fi to this Eero access point right here, to the router, to the switch, and back onto the Windows desktop. After installation, just click on Open, Start Server, Allow Access. Take note of the URL. Mine is 192.168.1.227:3000. Yours will be different. Now, with the server running on my desktop, I'm going to open up my laptop that's connected to my local network via Wi-Fi. We're going to open up that URL of 192.168.1.227:3000. Again, yours will be different, so make sure that you're typing in the correct address for your network. Click on Start to begin the test. By the way, we can do this test on mobiles and tablets too. The process is exactly the same. All you have to do is open up a browser and type in the URL of your server. It is possible that you cannot connect to the URL to do the test. In that case, you have to disable the firewall. If your server is on a Windows machine like I am, click on Start, type in Firewall to begin the search. Click on Allow an app through Windows Firewall. From the list, find OpenSpeedTest Server. Click on Change Settings and change if needed. Make sure all the boxes have check marks. You can see mine are all checked and ready to go. Alright, hopefully this video helps you troubleshoot your slow network. Find the weakest link. It could be the router, the modem, the wireless access points, or even using the cheap cable like I am right now. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.